Session 51 of Unit 5 of Taxation of 5th Semester BBA of Mangalore University. In this session, we shall study about Assessing Officer. The learning objective is to know about income tax authorities. Students should be able to know the various income tax authorities and their power. In this session, we shall study about who is an assessing officer, commissioner, director general or director, and the appointment of income tax authorities. In the previous session, we have studied about rectification of mistake, notice of demand, and intimation of loss. Assessing officer. An assessing officer means the assistant commissioner or deputy director or deputy commissioner or assistant director or income tax officer who is vested with the relevant jurisdiction by virtue of directors or orders issued by the Central Board of Direct Taxes. And it also includes the additional commissioner or additional director, joint commissioner or joint director who is directed to exercise or perform all or any of the powers and functions conferred on or assigned to an assessing officer. Commissioner under section 2 subsection 16. Commissioner means a person appointed to be a commissioner of income tax or a director of income tax or a principal commissioner of income tax or a principal director of income tax. Director General or Director under section 2 subsection 21. A person appointed to be a Director General of Income Tax or a Principal Commissioner or Commissioner by special or general order in writing to exercise the powers of a tax recovery officer. The tax recovery officer may also exercise or perform such prescribed powers and functions which are conferred on or assigned to an assessing officer. Appointment of income tax authorities. The central government may appoint such persons as it thinks fit to be income tax authorities. The central government may authorize the board or a principal director general or commissioner or a principal director to appoint income tax authorities before the rank of an assistant commissioner or deputy commissioner according to the rules or orders of the central government regulating the conditions of service of such posts. An income tax authority authorized in this behalf by the board may appoint such executive and ministerial staff as may be necessary to assist it in the execution of its functions. Appeal. In general, appeal means a request, and in legal parlance, it means apply to a higher court for reversal of decision of a lower court. A taxpayer aggrieved by various actions of assessing officer can appeal before Commissioner of Income Tax Appeals. These are the references.